itself. But small businesses do not lose money in the happy path. They lose it when most AI automation videos show you the happy path. One trigger, one glowing arrow, and suddenly the business runs. Automation sends the wrong message, pays the wrong bill, or makes a decision no one reviewed. So this video uses a tougher test. Here are 7 AI workflows worth automating now, 3 that should stay behind a human checkpoint, and 1 scorecard you can use before connecting anything to your business. The opportunity is real, but the implementation gap is enormous. A 2026 Federal Reserve brief found that nearly 40% of surveyed small businesses were already using or planning to use AI. In a separate Goldman Sachs survey, 93% of participants reported a positive business impact, but only 14% said AI was fully integrated into core operations. That gap is exactly where useful systems live, not in replacing the business, but in removing repetitive work without removing judgment. Use this 3-part rule. A good automation is repeatable, reviewable, and reversible. Repeatable means the input follows a pattern. Reviewable means a person can quickly see what the system did and why. Reversible means a bad result can be stopped or undone before it becomes expensive. If a workflow fails any one of those tests, the AI should recommend an action, not take it. Workflow 1. Inbox triage and draft replies. Let AI label messages, extract the request, and prepare a response. Keep the send button human. Workflow 2. Meeting notes into assigned actions. AI is excellent at turning a transcript into owners, deadlines, and open questions. It should not invent commitments that were never made. Both workflows compress reading time while leaving the final decision visible. Workflow 3. Invoice and receipt extraction. Pull vendor, amount, date, and category into a review queue, but never let extraction alone trigger payment. Workflow 4. Lead enrichment. AI can research a company, summarize its likely needs, and suggest a personalized angle. A human should verify the facts before outreach. These are high-volume, structured tasks where a review screen is much faster than starting from scratch. Workflow 5. Draft answers from an approved knowledge base. The important phrase is approved knowledge base, not the open internet. Workflow 6. Repurpose material you already own. Turn a webinar, case study, or customer question into draft posts and short clips, then edit for accuracy and voice. Workflow 7. A weekly operations digest. Have AI surface unusual refunds, late projects, unresolved tickets, and changes in conversion. The system finds the signal. You decide what it means. Now, the traps. Do not fully automate payments, refunds, discounts, or account closures. A single false positive has a direct financial cost. Do not unleash unsupervised outbound email. Bad personalization at scale is still spam at scale, and one confident hallucination can damage a relationship. And do not delegate high-stakes advice or eligibility decisions in finance, health, legal, hiring, or safety. AI can organize evidence. It should not be the unappealable judge. Before you build, score the workflow from 0 to 2 on 4 questions. How many minutes does it save per run? What is the cost of one wrong result? Can a person review it in under a minute? And can the action be rolled back? Favor high-frequency work with cheap errors, fast review, and easy recovery. Avoid low-frequency decisions where one mistake is hard to repair. The best first automation is usually boring, narrow, and obvious in hindsight. That is the workflow verdict. Automate preparation, not authority. Start with drafts, extraction, classification, and summaries. Put approvals in front of money, reputation, rights, and safety. In the next episodes, we will build and stress test one workflow at a time, measure the real time saved, price the tools, and show exactly where each system breaks. Subscribe if you want proof before another monthly software bill. Automate preparation, not authority. Start with drafts, extraction, classification, and summaries. Put approvals in front of money, reputation, rights, and safety. In the next episodes, we will build and stress test one workflow at a time, measure the real time saved, price the tools, and show exactly where each system breaks. Subscribe if you want proof before another monthly software bill.